Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we will show you how to remove and replace the drain pump on this GE top-load washer. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tool to complete this repair. We'll start this repair by removing the front panel. To begin, use a painter's tool to depress the two clips holding the front to the top. Pull out slightly after depressing the first clip. Once the second clip is disengaged, the panel may fall forward. Ease the panel down and then pull it up and off of the two tabs at the bottom. And set the panel aside. With the front panel removed, we now have access to the drain pump. To begin, we'll remove the electrical connection. Be careful when performing this step as the metal edges are very sharp. Before removing the hoses, use a pair of hose clamp pliers to clamp off the tub-to-pump hose. This will ensure much less water spills when removing the hoses. Next, remove the two 7/16" bolts holding the pump onto the base of the unit. When removing the hoses, it's a good idea to have a few towels and a shop vac handy to clean up any water that does spill out during the course of the repair. You may wish to place one towel under the pump itself to absorb the bulk of the spillage. To remove the drain hose, squeeze the clamp together using a pair of hose clamp pliers. Slide the clamp up the hose and release the pliers. Twist the hose slightly to break the seal while pulling away from the pump. Next, remove the tub-to-pump hose using the same process. Squeeze and release the clamp, slide the clamp up, and slide the hose off the pump. You may wish to hold on to the pliers you placed on the hose earlier so it can't slip off. And set your drain pump aside. When installing the drain pump, there is a ridge that corresponds with the tub-to-pump hose to help you line it up properly. Line up the notch on the hose with the ridge on the pump and press the tub-to-pump hose into place. Use a pair of hose clamp pliers to squeeze the clamp and pull it back down over the connection. Next, install the drain hose by pushing it back onto the pump. Once again, use the hose clamp pliers to bring the clamp into place. Reinstall the two 7/16" bolts to secure the pump onto the machine. Reattach the electrical connection by pressing firmly. Finally, remove the hose clamp pliers you placed over the tub-to-pump hose earlier. Check for leaks and make sure all hoses are installed securely. Now, we can reinstall the front panel. To install the front panel, simply guide the slots on the bottom onto the tabs at the bottom of the machine at an angle, and rock the panel back into position, making sure it locks into the two clips at the top. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.